is an online financial services company. Our goal is really to lower the barriers to borrowing for the everyday consumer. Everyone at Avant really uses data to drive decision making. And so everybody from marketing to operations to finance uses Looker to get information and make decisions. All data that anyone uses throughout the company comes through Looker at some point.
We looked at 4 or 5 different tools, chose Looker as kind of the leader after using the tool for I think just a couple weeks. We kind of put out kind of a mandate that reporting and anything sent internally or externally, or it's a dashboard, whatever it is, needs to go through Looker. And after that, it pretty much just took off. I think we're 100% corporate adoption now.
Looker does serve as a source of truth. We have most of our things pretty well defined, but we integrate a new data source. We have to figure out, okay, what's the best way to tie this back to a customer, to tie this to a loan. And Looker gives us a great way to kind of centralize all those definitions, and that way when the business user is exploring, they know that they can trust it.
Once people started using Looker and you had this central source of truth, there was one query and it was source controlled, there was, it's backed on GitHub, everyone can see the same definitions. Really allowed us to start focusing then on, what data can we get, what insights can we drive, and we can start to spend more time doing analysis rather than kind of making sure the data is right. But I think the biggest value for me, and always has been with Looker, is the ability to go in and get my hands dirty and slice and dice the data without having to write any more code.
People at Avant are always trying to get data, and it's a lot easier for them once they understand Looker a little bit. They can make the look, they'll send it to me, and I'll be able to make edits and shoot them the URL back. So it definitely increases collaboration between teams.
I think it's a big part of Avant's culture now that we insist on data-driven decisions. So you can have the best idea in the world, but if you don't have the data to back it up, it's not going to move forward. Looker has allowed us to just be very fluid and very agile, and everybody should be using Looker to make data-driven decisions.